Hi guys, and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to use break statement. If you want to know on how to use break statement, please watch this video. Alright, right now we have a for loop here, and this loop is looping until 100. If we go back to Unity and play this, we will see that it's looping until 100. See here? I can scroll this down here and you'll see this. Alright, back to our code. So for example, you want to break this loop if you reach I equals to 5. You can just put that in and then put some break statement. And then this thing will break if the I reach the 5 in here. And then it will call the break. So let's see that. Go back to Unity, hit clear, and then hit play. And now you'll see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it reaches 5, it breaks. So that's the purpose of break statement. It breaks the loop. So in this condition, you see that I equals to 5, right? And then it will quickly call the break to break this for loop statement. And yep, if you want to learn more about C# and Unity 3D basics and some Unity tips, you can check our other videos in our channel. And if you learned something today, that's good. And if you're just new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll always get updated when we upload a new video. And again guys, thank you for watching our video and see you on our next video. Goodbye guys.